Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, what's this? Alright, got another dice. We got dice here. Hmm. Zookeeper. Alright here.
Is anyone out there? Hello?
Yo, what's going on here? Alright, what's going on? What's going on?
Can you help me out? Thank you, thank you.
Okay. And how'd this happen?
Thanks for the rescue. The animals have gotten out, but my friend can help. Problem is, he's stuck in that pipe.
Oh, that one. Okay. Sometimes you know. Okay.
There must be something I can use around here.
I need Jim Gordon. You can help. I just pressed Gordon. Literally. Ah, look at this. Like, press him again here. Okay.
Great!
Alright, what's up?
Now to figure out how to get the animals back.
We got this right here. We got tracker. Okay.
Here's the plan. You put this tracker on the animals that escaped. Then we'll know where they are, and we can pick them up. Easy peasy, right?
Alright, simple.
Oh, by the way, there's a loose polar bear nearby.
A polar
You
bear.
can put a tracker on it? Thanks.
Okay.
Polar bear. So much for easy peasy.
Damn. I mean, yeah, we got like hurry about it too. Oh, I got some dice. Alright, Chad, let me look around for a little bit, alright? Alright, because like I don't want to miss anything this time. Alright, let's really try to focus on getting some of this stuff. Okay? Okay, nothing to see here. Okay. Alright, nothing on here. Okay. Alright, yeah, I don't see nothing right here. How about here? Nope, nothing here. Ah, yeah, I think this part here is clear. Yeah. Okay, nothing to see here. Alright, let's get moving. Alright, sorry here. Oh, wait, got a catcher right here. Perfect. Alright, great start. That's one.
Just the kind of tech I need. Look out, Gordon.
Alright, now it's polar bear.
There's the bear. Let's get that tracker on it.
Okay, how are we doing this?
That's one angry bear. Maybe.
Shit. Alright, mother.
Now's our chance.
Oh, I thought I was just gonna hit it.
Tracker's up and running.
Alright, perfect.
That could have gone a lot worse.
Alright, easy. Okay. Got two catchers right there.
If you find any animals in the city, can you put a tracker on them? We'll pick them up and rehome them.
Alright.
I don't understand how they all got out. Everything was fine. Then the power was suddenly redirected to Arctic World.
Arctic. Okay.
I'll get the maintenance hatch open, in case you want to check things out.
Alright.
Arctic World was condemned months ago. Something fishy is going on. Maybe
Let's take a look
Catwoman
here.
can help here.
Oh, I know. Yeah.
My claws can cut through this easily.
All right. Let's see. I got cut here. Like that. Perfect. All right. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. I mean, last time I checked, he stayed to come here because she needs to see an old friend and the penguin. All right. So I'm taking a guess we're going to see Penguin. All right. I'm taking a guess we're going to see Penguin with this one. Alright, I'm really disappointed. Oh man, I really want to see Scarecrow.
So why are we here?
I really want to see Scarecrow.
I don't see any sign of those mimes.
This was Penguin's hangout before he started running for mayor.
Oswald Cobblepot. But he was just attacked at City Hall.
That slime ball probably staged the whole thing. I just know he's got my loot.
Loot?
What do you mean?
Sorry. My hard-earned loot.
Cobblepot's not short on cash, though.
I guess so.
Call it feline intuition. That slippery sleazebag is definitely in charge of those mimes.
Oh. Okay. Ah, yeah, Penguin is here.
Be my pizzas. They better not have scrimped on the edge of these.
Wait, what happened to Dent, though? Yeah, we haven't gotten back to
Looks like
Dent,
we'll
so...
have to bypass the
Damn, what happened to
security
that?
gate to get inside.
Leave it to me. These claws aren't just for show.
Interesting.
This place looks like it hasn't been used in years.
Oh, it's being used all right. That's Penguin's musty old lair.
Alright, now let's look at that. Alright, like I said, Shay, yeah, we gotta lock in on some of this shit. So, like,
The
you know, when
override
it comes to,
switch
like,
is up
some of the
there.
other...
It's just a matter
when it
of
comes to,
reaching
like,
it.
getting some of these,
Can't get
cars
through
and
until we've
shit,
got
I'm,
this
like,
gate
trying to lock in a
unlocked.
bit more. Alright, I'm trying to, like, focus around me a little bit more, try to get them both. Try to get them all. Alright, but seriously, let's try to get this... Because, like, I'm not trying to 100% the game, but, like, I feel like I can do better. I'm not, like, trying to 100% the game, but, like, I feel like I can do a little bit better with it.
Oh, what's the matter, Bat Boy? Didn't have the time to get your nails done.
I'll stick with my back claw. Thanks.
Can I jump? Can I jump? Alright, there we go. Okay.
Breaking in is always the easy part.
I'll pretend I didn't hear that. Let's go.
Welcome to Arctic World, where there's frozen fun for everyone.
I got rubber
This
ducks.
is more security than I expected.
Kiss the gloom and gray goodbye. Rose, the spectacular performing seal, is back for another series of unforgettable shows. Visit the amphitheater today.
I can't just yet.
I gotta beat these guys up. And I was like, I ain't even get a chance to do like anything. See here? Here you go. Come on. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on. Here you go. Come on. Come on.
Cobblepot isn't taking any chances. We'll have to find a way around his defenses.
There must be a
see
way to
this
turn off this pesky ice machine.
That's it.
Alright,
If you
Catwoman.
climb on that door, I can give you a ride to the top.
How we got? Wait, how do I though?
I probably shouldn't leave Batman unsupervised for too long.
I don't get. How do I get up? Come on, get up here. There we go. That's better. That'll do it. Okay.
Keep an eye on things while I prowl around, okay?
You go jump down here.
I'm Batman.
Back up.
Vigilance is my middle name.
Alright, back good. Alright, let's see where this goes. Oh, what can I see?
Ah, what's all that commotion? Don't tell me it's the wind again. Gonna have to get that draft fixed.
Alright, come here.
A poor, oblivious henchman. My favorite. Batman
do.
probably has some fancy gadget for this type of thing. Why
Right, you
can't
do.
I focus?
Damn, what the? Alright, fine, whatever. Man, some of the shit you choose is not to work. Oh, from of
Me? Use this. Not possible.
Man, what must do? Oh shit!
Sheesh.
Damn.
Talk about a meltdown.
I did not think that was gonna blow up. Okay. How? Oh no, who's this? Just turn this down here.
There. This should warm things up.
Nah,
Don't worry,
thermal vision.
I've got this.
My hero.
My thermal vision will lead me straight to the shutoff valve.
Alright, right here. Right here. Now how we get it open? I like that.
Predictable.
Alright. Just down there.
Cobblepot's henchmen have this place locked down. We'll need to get that door open to move forward.
Okay. Just gotta get the door open.
Is that the pizza guy? Took you long enough. Just leave it by the door and scram.
Can I break that? I cannot. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, I just found something. Oh, I just found something. What's that? Yeah, if I can get that door open though. There we go. Let me get that real quick.
We
Perfect.
left this here. It
Alright,
isn't
that's
time.
the box. Come on. Here you go. Come on. Man, where is Catwoman in all this? And done. Alright. Alright, now how we got it? How we got this? Oh no, yeah, put this through here. Push this back. Now we got, I'm thinking it's got build something here. Oh no, Catwoman. No. Oh wait, no. And then we get there. Oh, I just gotta wait for this shit. I just gotta activate this. There we go.
A dead end.
Huh?
Will you get off of that? Daddy will
Is he sure?
feed you later.
Is he shirtless?
You better be worth the wait. Oh, the cat in the bag. What is this? Some kind of joke?
Oswald, we're just here to talk.
My name's not Oswald, it's Penguin. I am not a human being. I'm an animal. A cold-blooded one.
Then
Alright.
come on out so I can clip your wing.
I knew you'd be working over those mines. You missed your chance at City Hall.
We weren't.
Wait.
And I ain't giving you another.
Okay, so oh, you didn't stage that. Okay.
Nicely handled. Watch out. These penguins are set to self-destruct.
All right.
We'll see how cute they are.
All right. Come on.
Be blown sky high.
Where they at? Where they at? Oh wait, no. What's up with the penguins?
You thought you could take me out? How the tables turn.
I don't get it. Where are the penguins? Fine, whatever. Still can't swim. Forgot about that. All right. Oh no, rubber ducky.
The vent. That's our way out.
All right, perfect.
Ow.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Damn, I should be forgetting that kind of stuff. All right, that polar bear.
Hey, what's this button do?
Nice post.
Don't even think about it. Cobblepot hates it when people touch his stuff. No sweat.
I kicked him
Such a
in there.
pity. And we were just getting acquainted, too.
Where?
Does keep them.
Nice. I know, I got no left. Did this don't count? Yeah, I thought that would count. Okay. Alright, right here. What's this? Oh, that's it. Okay. Can't go in there. I think it was like.
We should be able to cut through this glass with the right
Alright.
set of claws.
Alright, got one. We can cut
Another
this.
job for me? Well, you know what they say. A thief's
Alright.
work is never done.
Strike it here. Alright, pop out here. Can I jump in? Okay. I can't read there. Alright, gotta remember these things explode.
Can't
Alright.
trust anyone.
Hey, got another cache
Even
though.
a snowman.
Alright, no one of these.
I'll get some
Perfect.
use out of this.
Damn, we missed one? Damn. Wait, what's in there? Oh, I got moves back, moves back. Back. Okay. It's got glass here. Oh, there's one right here. Wait, I guess that's the second one then. Right? That should be the second one. Yeah. I think this is number 2, right?
A new toy, huh?
Okay, great. Yeah, okay, great. So I didn't miss one. Did I miss anything else? No, I think that's it. Alright, keep moving. No rubber ducky shit here. Batman just chilling, cool, and Penguin was all in the house. Alright. No, we just chilling, you know, bobbing. Shit. Wait. Okay, we can't swim. Alright, we already established that, but. Okay. Oh, we gotta use this like this. Okay. Alright, look, I know we're Lego pieces, but I still feel like we should be able to swim at least. I don't know, man. I feel like swimming should still be an option.
No! I mean, don't worry. I have an idea.
Man, look at Batman trying to be all nonchalant and shit. I mean, damn, man. I'm Miss Duck Mode too.
There must be a way to get across the water. Now we control the water level.
Damn, we missed a duck. Alright. Oh! We're gonna pull the grain out of this. Okay.
That platform floats. We can use that to our advantage. There. I know cats hate getting their fur wet.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, And they say chivalry's dead.
Alright, keep like this. Where's the Catwoman? Alright, oh, no, we just do it like this. Oh, okay.
Yoo-hoo!
Alright.
I could use a ride over here.
Oh, wait, no. I got it. Bring it back up. Okay. At the Catwoman. Alright, now we just move from there.
Cats and water do not mix.
Go. Ah, yeah, we gotta move over here. We gotta move here. Oh, move quicker, quicker.
Ahem. I could use a little more of that chivalrous spirit.
Alright, bring it back up.
Right away, milady.
Alright, I just gotta get through this puzzle. Okay, here. Nice.
You're an armored camera. They're tough as nails and certified.
Alright, security cam.
There's no way you're taking these babies down.
Okay, gotta use
Ugh,
gotta
how
get by the
rude.
consoles. Okay.
I bet the bat has something in that cowl of his that'll take out these cameras.
I just gotta bring him here then.
Hey,
Alright,
Batman.
use that.
I'm feeling a little lonely over here.
Shut that up.
Hey, would you stop touching me?
Alright, avoid that bit.
Just leave me alone, you pointy-eared pest.
Oh, what's up with that?
Nice of you to join me.
Alright.
Think you can do something about these cameras?
Wait, what was that? How did she get dizzy? I'm taking that to have something to do with the camera. First, I want to open this up first. What's in here? Alright, let's see, let's see. What's this? Oh, this is where we
To
deactivate
take
it.
these cameras down at the source.
Okay, okay. Man. Oh, no.
The handle's missing.
Oh, the handle's missing. Okay. Let's try this way. Let's try this way. Oh.
What are you doing, relative? You're supposed to drop the saw while they're under it.
I just it.
What do you mean, you flipper?
Okay.
Well, I don't see you coming up with any big ideas.
Damn, I don't even know where to go with this.
That's actually not bad. Yeah,
Oh, wait.
might be onto something.
No, not yet, not
dangerous
yet.
machinery
Not the
as
Batman.
much as the next gal, but this one's got to go.
Alright. Like that right there. Here's that one. Push this out. Something like this. There you go, take this out. There we go. Her.
Don't worry, I'll avenge you.
Give me a second. Alright, I gotta find that handle. I'll be back in a second. I want to see if I can find it. Oh, no, like this. This is what I'm looking for. Oh, let me find it. Alright, let me get it over here. Alright. Turn it off here, turn it on.
Huh? Me? Use this.
Alright.
Not possible.
Fine, whatever. Alright, here. Alright, boom it. Oh shit! Alright, no, I kind of went fine. Shit, yeah, whatever. It's whatever. Okay. Not one of these. I just need one more. I don't know how we're gonna get it though. Oh, wait, hold up. Wait, use this. Take that out. And now we can use Catwoman. Now the laser can come in. Okay. Oh, like this. Huh. Okay. Grab this. Alright, there we go. There we go, baby. And we got that.
Whatever will they come up with next?
Perfect. Alright, I think that's it for this spot here. Size is gonna keep moving. Oh shit. What's not hitting, man?
Little bird should stay away from me.
Alright, back up, back up, back up, back up.
These penguins are packing some fire.
Alright, damn, okay. Okay, come on. Come on. Here you go. Alright, back up, back up. Yeah. Alright, come on. Oh yeah, my bad, Catwoman. Come on. Come on, get moving, get moving. There you go. Quad. There you go. Yeah. Come on now. Hey, mess me up. Come on. There you go. Is that it? Oh, it's right here. There we go. Whew. Alright.
Batman's here!
What the? What was that?
What am I even paying you for?
What was that?
I swear, you're this close to losing your Christmas bonuses!
Look at us, the cat and the bat. Has a nice ring to it.
Sounds like a nursery rhyme, and those never end well.
Okay, alright, well, what is
Been a
this?
while since I've seen a moat. Looks pretty deep too.
Is this card?
What it takes to dig a moat like that?
Oh! Of course this guy has a shark. Oh shit. Oh yeah, the shark repellent! Oh yeah! Oh yeah, I remember that from the Lego Batman movie. Yeah, shark repellent.
I'd ask if you were joking, but I know better than that.
Bet 1, shark 0.
Huh.
Let's see what's in that cage.
Damn, yeah, it's the same shit that he said that you'll never use and shit too. Yeah. Alright, let's build some. What we got? I'm taking a guess we're gonna build like ER. Yeah, no, never mind. I didn't even think about that.
You might want to hold on to your cat ears.
Alright, let's go. Woo! Oh, damn! Start. Call, bro. Hey, one more shark propeller. Come on.
What a rush.
Okay.
Let's do that again.
I think the shark's still recovering.
Wait, why can't I can't break the... I can't break that.
The amphitheater. That must be where Oswald is hiding.
Good. Let's get on with the show.
I can't break that. Can't break that. Alright, let's go. Wait, is there anything else left here? Sorry, chat, just making sure. Sure I don't miss anything here. Cause like I ain't find any red bricks in this one here, so just making sure. All right, let's end this.
I ain't sending someone as cute as you out there. Daddy's no monster. Batman! I don't know how much she's paying you, but you made a big mistake coming here.
Oswald, we just have some questions.
Yeah! We know how that goes. You try and run me over with a Batmobile.
Alright, come on now. We was only gonna do that after we talk to you. Come on now.
Sorry.
Man. Oh, so there's a bomb. Oh, we getting a penguin boss battle? Alright.
Not the type of bath I enjoy.
Damn, he is. I'm taking a guess he has to clean this place.
You two just don't give up. Get him!
Damn, now we're on the boss battle.
You chumps are gonna regret.
Oh, no, we are.
You're a cat, you cobblepot.
Come on.
Who says penguins can't fly?
Oh, we're doing the sit down shit too? Okay.
They're still getting.
Yeah.
Boys!
Woo.
They can't take all of us.
Back up, back up. Back up, back up. Come on.
Oswald,
Back up, back up.
just want to talk.
Duck and cover! Get him?
Get him with that. Damn, come on, get out the way!
Mess with the cat, you get the claws.
I don't know about you, but I'm having a
Come on.
blast.
It's not safe for me up there.
Oh, wait, no, I can just grapple him? Oh, like that, okay.
Would you
Go on.
stop and listen?
Come and get me. Just try it.
Come on.
What are you
we go.
waiting for? Take him out.
I switched the cat
I'm
one.
completely
Wait, what can I do it?
protected.
That umbrella's no match for my whip.
There you go. Come on, wait. Wah, ah,
Merry
ah.
Christmas, you filthy animals.
Alright. Merry
I'm
Christmas.
not paid enough for this.
Alright, that's a whole. Nah, I ain't got no time for all these damn references. Yeah, that was from Home Alone though.
This ain't no
Yeah, where he was.
miserable stray.
Yeah, you
That's
better
it.
swim away. Creep.
A list of bribes for his mayoral campaign.
So his
Bribes.
business dealings are fishy. Quelle surprise.
This is enough to put him away.
Oh, I knew
Okay,
he
keep
was
that
behind
then.
those moronic mimes.
No one ever tell ya. Curiosity exploded the cat.
I thought it was kill the cat. I don't know, kill would have been better than explode. I don't know why. Alright, no, whatever.
Now you really start.
I think it's a rubber ducky. I thought it'd be like in a giant penguin cause giant penguin or something. I don't know why you choose this. Come on, dodge that, dodge that, dodge that. Ooh, dodge that. Come on, dodge that, come on.
I'm not messing around.
Oh, okay. I think I get it now. Ah.
That rocket needs to be returned to its rocket center. Better steer clear.
Oh shit. Oh, that's the car. Okay.
Go for the propeller.
Alright, come here. I think I took it out.
Get him
There you
while
go.
he's down.
Come on. Yeah.
What's the big idea?
Yeah, oh, damn. Alright, got you.
Yeah, there's something. Yeah.
No. Yeah, I forgot. I can't swim.
This'll make the hairs in your nose tingle.
Come on.
Allow me to send that rocket back where it came from.
I'm making waves, baby.
Okay. I'm moving. Ooh, dodge that. Wait, which way do you go? Which way? Woo. Which way? See that?
Hit him right in the propeller.
Well, come on, come on. There we go. Nice.
We've got an opening.
Yeah, yeah.
Why's this always happen to me?
Come on. Shit! Ah, I fucked up the glide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Move there.
One step for me, one miss.
Move out of this, move out of this.
One
What can I do
take's
here?
all I need to whip that rocket back in your face.
Alright, back here.
Strike
Nice.
down.
Yeah, come on, come on.
Always picking on the penguin.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Don't you have
Back him up. Woo! Alright, there we go.
Now you'll pay
Easy.
for what you did to me.
Yeah. What are
Okay.
you talking about, you filthy flea bag?
Ring a bell?
Huh?
Running from
Yeah.
here. Eliminating past less than savory associates.
Oh.
World's greatest detective, everybody! Ah, you're both way off the mark. I found out right after my iceberg lounge got hit. Then they came after me at City Hall. What they are? They knew all about our stashes, how much was in them, and all our other dirty secrets. Ain't that right, Whiskers?
Whatever. I'm out of here then.
Wait!
Wait, hold on. Wait, catch a penguin first!
Lesson learned. But in the end, all that counts is... Who's holding the umbrella?
Huh?
No lead on the mines.
Okay.
But there's enough in here to put Oswald away for the next few elections.
Thanks. The debt is stable, by the way.
Oh yeah. Damn, they never really brought it back up with them. Why did it take so long anyways?
Whatever next.
Pizza for Mr. P. N. Gwyn? Extra anchovies?
Oh, there's the pizza guy.
Anybody?
Huh. Alright, there goes Penguin. I think we're gonna get to either Joker or Two-Face yet. Oh, are they gonna like redo the Joker Two-Face scene from the Dark Knight? Yo, that would go crazy. That ninja, the cat. What is that? Oh, no, whatever. We're not even going to entertain that. We're just gonna move on. Alright, we did better with the Batcave trophies. Alright, we got all the way tech catches, but we did find the red brick again. Man, where are these damn bricks? Alright, I'm not really that good when it comes to like finding shit in these games, man. Or these type of games, man. I always suck at it. Man. Alright. Where are we gonna head to next? Alright. Man.